Good save.
Set.
And the beginning of heat 1 of 6 heats in our prelims. Going out very quickly is Angelique Cooper, the Big 12 runner-up from the University of Texas, running in lane 4. Cooper in lane 4 continues to be the first over the hurdles.
Big Veronica, big!
Patricia Jordan from Fresno State. That's Angelique Cooper. And that's Angelique Cooper of the University of Texas winning our first heat.
Go, Allie!
Let's go,